Okay, baby. Come on. You can see how you pull this, and this becomes tight, but not tight enough to really squeeze his neck. When it's loose setting, it's very comfortably loose. Okay. This foot first. Thank you. Wait, let me sort out what we're doing. I always have to do it wrong once. What are we doing? Ah. Okay, there we go. This foot. And now, wait. This foot. Ah. And now over the head. Over the head. Over the head. There we go. And see how, turn your head. See how it clips together over the shoulders. So if the clasp were to come loose in an accident, the seatbelt would still hold him. Come over here. Whoa. Wait, we still have your clip. Come on. This clips to the harness, and this fastens into the seatbelt.